And lastly, you mentioned lending. You work with Shawn Williams over at George Mason Mortgage. Can you talk to us about your experience with him and your overall thoughts of his company?
Shawn's great too. Shawn's great too. I'm a straight, shoot from the hip kind of person. Give it to me straight.
Sure.
And I can say that Shawn was really on it in terms of being honest.
Yeah.
And saying this is what you're going to be looking at. And they give you kind of a good faith estimate of what the situation will be. But they'll tell you it could be a little bit different, but here's what you can expect. And that's very helpful, especially when you're making such a big investment. You really need to be comfortable, and even if you're going a way that might not be the best way, to have someone to say, maybe not. So I was just commenting that, working with someone one-on-one who really, is kind of gives you that customer service in the process is very helpful versus, and I'm not saying anything about banks or credit unions or anything, but, I had a different experience when I, applied through a credit union. The rate was good on the surface, but the customer service wasn't there, and especially for a first-time home buyer, you really need that help in the beginning. So I would definitely recommend Shawn, and I already have as well.
Great, awesome.
Yeah.